Welcome to my studio. My name is Natalia Korover. I am a repurposed media artist. I stitch by hand and machine, I paint, I collage, I do it all. And I would love to come and teach for your guild. I teach 3 workshops that are all available to be taught over 3 hours, a full 6-hour day, or spread out over several days or weeks. They're all adjustable to your guild's needs. I'm happy to teach them virtually or in person. My workshops are Plastic Nature, where I tell you how to make art from single-use plastic, how to cut it apart and stitch it back together in beautiful nature-inspired artwork. Another workshop is Graffiti Lab. There, I show you how to use the letters and the graphics and all the verbiage that's cut off from single-use plastic that you used for Plastic Nature. And I show you how to collage it all together into really fun and funky graffiti-inspired art. My third workshop is called Textural Style, and I share how I can put even the tiniest little scraps together into a beautiful abstract composition or a background for a bold stitched artwork. All 3 workshops are adjustable to your guild's needs. My lecture is called Alternative Stitching Practices, and in it I take you through my artful journey where I show you how I repurpose just about any material that comes across my table. I'll show you how I stitch with dryer sheets, color catcher sheets, single-use plastic, paper, and more. There's always more. There are so many materials to stitch with. So will you join me? I'm happy to show you all the ways that I do it. I look forward to meeting you.